In this video, let us see the best course which is offered by Google. So Google is providing you this course for free. You can check out this link, udacity.com. The name of the course is Introduction to Data Structures and Algorithms. This course is offered by Brian and Thomas. This course is very important for beginners who are preparing for coding interviews and competitive programming. Okay, so let us see what you will learn in this course. This course will introduce you to common data structure and algorithms in Python. You will review the frequently asked technical interview questions and learn how to structure your responses. So here you can practice problems and quizzes and you can test your abilities. Then you can practice mock interviews to give specific recommendations for improvement. So by the end of this course, you will be ready for technical interview. You can enhance your skills. It can improve your CV. You can add your details in your resume. After getting certificate, it shows that you have the basic understanding of the basic concepts. You can upload the certificate in your LinkedIn profile. This is a free course, so you can enroll it for free without paying anything. So you can access this course. Okay, so let us look at the contents, what you will study in this course. So the first lesson is Introduction and Efficiency. In the second lesson, you will study about the list-based collection. You will learn about the basics of. Here you will see the definition and example of list-based data structure, that is arrays, linked list, stacks and queues. In the third lesson, you can study searching and sorting. So here you can explore all the different algorithms, that is bubble sort, merge sort, quick sort. Learn how to use recursion in searching and sorting. In the fourth lesson, you will study about maps and hashing, examples of hash tables and hash maps. In the fifth lesson, you will study about trees, different type of trees like binary search tree, BST, tree traversal. In the sixth lesson, you will study about graphs, the different properties of graphs, how we can traverse the graph, and how we can determine the efficiency associated with graphs. Next, here you will study the case studies in algorithms. Here you will study the different types of algorithms and which type of algorithm to use. Shortest path algorithm, knapsack algorithm, traveling sales algorithm. Learn about brute force, greedy and dynamic programming solutions with problems. In the end, you will study about all the different techniques which are used for cracking the technical interview. So by the end of this course, you will be ready to face any type of technical interview. And last but not the least, here you can find plenty of questions for practice. You can find problems and you can find the best method to solve these problems, the most optimal solution to solve any problem. I hope you find this video useful. If you have any suggestion or queries, then you can ask in the comment box. For more interesting videos like this, please like, share and subscribe to this channel.